Looking for a solution that eliminates load shedding and the rising cost of electricity and diesel for your business? At ZenSolar, we stand apart by putting you first. Power outages have unfortunately become the norm, leading businesses to adapt to the inconveniences. Whether it's for a small business or large-scale commercial system, ZenSolar is here to help you take back control of your electricity. The question isn't if you can endure the ongoing energy supply issues, including the financial drain of operating generators and the ever-increasing electricity cost among constant blackouts. The real question is, can you afford not to switch to solar? Solar investments are now repaying themselves quicker than ever before. Given South Africa's abundant sunshine, embracing solar is a logical step. At ZenSolar, we offer a free site assessment for a solar system that aligns perfectly with your specific needs. How much longer can you tolerate the impact of the energy crisis? If you're ready to take a step towards bettering your quality of life and saving your business money now and long into the future, ZenSolar is your go-to solar expert. We offer free, no-obligation site assessments tailored to your unique needs. Zero upfront deposit with financing options ranging from 5 to 20 years. Flexible finance, including power purchase agreements, leases, rent-to-own, and sale-to-rent-back options. The opportunity to claim full tax benefits for your solar installation under our innovative financing models. And comprehensive service, maintenance and insurance, ensuring you never have to worry about your system. We've got you covered with cutting-edge technology for easy management and monitoring. We're committed to long-term relationships, supporting you well beyond the installation phase. Our numerous satisfied customers are a testament to our dedication. ZenSolar isn't just about making a sale, it's about forging a lasting partnership. Ready to join our family?